students are going to present on the topic augmented reality and virtual reality. Let's hear to them.
Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a system that overlays digital information such as
Students, please listen to them.
image, sounds, or text onto the real world environment in real time. Instead of replacing the real world, like virtual reality, AR enhances it by adding virtual elements that interact with the users around it. It works using devices like smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses, which use cameras and sensors to detect the real environment and place digital objects accuracy. Augmented reality is widely used in applications like gaming, where the virtual characters appear in real locations, as well as in education, retail, navigation, and healthcare. Overall, AR improves user experience by making interactions more engaging, interactive, and informative without disconnecting users from the real world. The applications of augmented reality. AR is used in gaming to create interactive real-world gaming experience, used in retail and e-commerce for visual try-on of clothes, makeup, and accessories. AR is applied in education to visualize 3D models and make learning more interactive. It is used in navigation systems to provide real-time directional guidance. AR is used in healthcare for surgery, guidance, and medical field. It is applied in real estate and interior design for virtual property viewing and room planning. AR is used in automotive industry to display vehicles, features, and assistant design. Next is a real-world scenario of augmented reality. Gaming app like Pokemon Go places virtual characters in real-world location through the phone camera, allowing users to interact with them. A furniture company like IKEA lets customers visualize how furniture will look in their room before buying. A navigation app like Google Maps will provide AR-based direction by overlaying arrows and paths on real-world streets. I'm going to explain how design thinking is applied in augmented reality. Design thinking is a user-focused approach used to solve problems creatively. It has five main phases: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. First, the empathize phase. In AR, we understand the users and their environment. For example, users may find AR apps confusing or distracting when virtual objects do not align properly with the real world. So we observe their experience and difficulties. Next is the define phase. Here we clearly identify the problem. For instance, users are unable to interact easily with AR objects in real time. This helps us focus on a specific challenge. Then comes the ideate phase. In this stage, we generate ideas to solve the problem. In AR, solutions could include better object tracking, simpler user interfaces, or voice and gesture controls. Now the prototype phase. We create the basic version of the solution. For AR, this might be a simple app that traces virtual objects accurately in the real environment. Finally, the test phase. We test the prototype with users, collect feedback, and improve it. This process may repeat until the AR experience becomes smooth, interactive, and user-friendly. In conclusion, design thinking helps us create effective and engaging AR applications by focusing on user needs and continuous improvement. Thank you.
So, virtual reality is an advanced technology that creates a fully immersive computer three-dimensional environment where users can interact and they are physically present inside the virtual world. It uses like a device's VR headsets, motion sensors, and handle controllers to track the user's movements and provide a real-time responses, making the experience feel realistic and engaging. The VR, the real world is completely replaced by a digital environment, allowing user to see, hear, and watch something. So even we feel visual environments, the immersion is what makes VR different from more other technologies like augmented reality. So virtual reality is widely used in the various fields such as gaming, where players experience realistic environments, educational, where students can explore visual labs or historical places like a healthcare for surgical training and therapy, and even in military and aviation simulations for safe flight.
Applications of virtual reality. Vendors use augmented reality for virtual try-ons and product visualization. They use virtual reality for immersive product and demos and virtual showrooms. Vendors apply automobile vendor like Tesla provides on-site car customization with real-time visualization. A logistics vendor like T-Mobile tracks shipments in real time and ensures efficient delivery.
So design thinking has uses and approach. So it has 5 phases. The first one is empathy space. In VR, space means understanding the users, how they feel, what they experience, and what challenges they face. For example, users may feel motion sickness or discomfort by using VR faces. So we study their needs and emotions. Next is design phase. So we clearly identify the problem. For instance, use of literacy or evidence of VR. This helps us to focus on solving solutions. So then comes the idea phase. So in this stage, we brainstorm solutions. For VR, ideas could include improving frame rates, adding comfort settings, and designing smoother movements to reduce motion sickness. So after that is the prototype phase. So we create a simple version of the solution. In virtual reality, this could be a demo environment with improved control or reduced motion. Finally, the testing phase. We test the prototype